Have you ever experienced the frustration of a buffering screen at the worst possible moment, perhaps during an important video call or streaming your favorite show? Imagine that happening during your online test. Ensuring stable internet during your online test is absolutely crucial, because a reliable connection directly impacts your ability to complete the exam without interruption and submit your work successfully. Your internet connection is your lifeline to the test environment, and any instability can lead to lost progress, technical difficulties, and unnecessary stress. The core reason for prioritizing a stable connection is to maintain uninterrupted data flow between your device and the testing server. Online tests often have strict time limits and may not tolerate frequent disconnections. When your internet wavers, it can break the secure connection, potentially logging you out or preventing your answers from being saved, which is why a robust link is so important. To achieve this stability, start by using an Ethernet cable if at all possible, as a wired connection is inherently more stable than Wi-Fi. Next, minimize other internet usage in your household during the test time, asking family members to pause streaming, gaming, or large downloads. Before the test begins, reboot your router and modem to clear any temporary glitches, and if you are using Wi-Fi, position yourself as close to the router as you can. Close all unnecessary browser tabs and applications on your computer to free up bandwidth and processing power for the test itself. Consider leveraging your mobile phone's hotspot as a backup plan, but only if you have a strong cellular signal and sufficient data. Furthermore, be aware of what is called network congestion, which is when too many devices are trying to use the same network at once. If you live in an apartment building, for instance, there might be peak times when everyone else is online, so try to schedule your test during off-peak hours if that is an option. By proactively managing your internet connection, you are not just preparing for a test, you are building a foundation of confidence and control that allows you to focus purely on answering questions, rather than worrying about technical hitches. This empowers you to demonstrate your knowledge fully and achieve the best possible result, transforming potential stress into a smooth testing experience.